This is the basic of personal finance na dapat alam nating lahat. Ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang The Priority Pyramid of Financial Planning. Hi mga zizis! This is Trixie and I usually talk about personal finance at pag-uusapan natin nga itong pyramid na ito. If you want to have a financial success, whether maliit ang sahod mo or malaking sahod mo, businessman ka o nagtatrabaho ka, kailangan alam mo to. Sa paggawa ng isang pyramid, syempre nauuna yung pinakababa. At pagdating din sa financial planning, kailangan nating i-consider yung nasa baba nitong pyramid na ito. In order for the pyramid na hindi siya bumagsak, kailangan maganda yung base niya, which is your protection plan. Protection plan include life insurance, accident insurance, health insurance, yung mga car insurance. Kailangan meron kang mga ganyan para maprotektahan yung mga asset mo at yourself is your asset as well. Isa din sa dapat meron ka is emergency fund. Ano ba yung emergency fund? So, emergency fund, ginagamit natin yan in case na magkaroon tayo ng emergency. Ano ba yung mga example ng emergency? It can be as simple as yung bubong nyo magkaroon ng leak. Kailangan, syempre, may pambayad ka or pambili ng materyales para yan ay maayos. After kang makabuild ng protection plan at emergency plan, that's the time that you need to save for your savings. Kasama sa mga savings na nakalagay dito, sinasabi yung personal savings, retirement savings, at syempre hindi ka naman habang buhay magtatrabaho, so you need to have your retirement plan. And of course, the education savings, kung nagpapaaral ka na, syempre, kung magka-college na yung anak mo, you need to have fund for that. Pag meron ka ng protection plan and savings, that's the time that you will go to investment. Ano yung mga example ng investment such as real estate, stocks? Diyan din pumapasok yung kung gusto mo nang mag-venture into business, yan, pwede yan sa investment part. To sum up our discussion, sinasabi dito na in order for you to have a good and successful financial planning, you need to know the difference of these three. If you want to know more about personal finance, like and follow for more.